What's up, guys? Figured I'd give you a quick video on my Veto Pro Pack Tech MCT bag, because I've gotten a lot of requests on this to just show what it is and what I keep in it and everything. Quick overview if you haven't seen them. I mean, you got side pockets over here. It's got a service wrench there. I hang my these are like your strap loops, but I hang my 18-volt drill off it. You get a little pouch up here for little fittings or drill bits or whatever you feel like putting in there. And side, same thing. You got a tape measure holder here. And this is the back. You got D-rings everywhere to hang things off of. You got a little pouch here you can put paperwork in or anything else. Same thing here. These are very tight though. You can't really get much in them, in my opinion, but it's an awesome bag. I use it just mainly for storage in my truck. You know, sort of as like another toolbox, and I just pick and choose what I need out of it at the time. So I'll just show you real quick what I keep in here. It's all just basic stuff, guys. I mean, nothing fancy. You know, this is how I got it packed up. You know, flashlight. It's my Milwaukee 12-volt. I don't really use that anymore because I use my Nebo lights now that are just great. Just, you know, my mirror, extra hose attachment, screwdrivers, big screwdriver, some ratchet wrenches here. These are really neat, guys. The Knipex pliers wrench. These are the 10-inch ones. These are really cool. You guys might like those. You know, a little coil brush, a couple adjustable wrenches. I got some old, these are sort of like, I don't know, my dad had these, so whatever, I just took them after he passed away. Sort of just like, you can use them for snips, but they were more for like gutters and stuff back in the day. You know, I just keep some chisels here, an extra service wrench. This is my charger for my Milwaukee, for this Milwaukee light right here that holds an extra battery, charges it up. I got this as a some promo at Home Depot. I got this light and the charger and an extra battery for an excellent price like a year ago at Christmas time or something. You know, and I just keep extra torch tips in here. Nothing major, you know. One of these keys for the all those water valves outside on the side of buildings. You can grab these at Home Depot. I think they're like $6 or $7. These are clutch to have in those buildings where, you know, you got the side of the building there. You can't get the pliers in or a wrench or anything. You need one of those. I mean, that's pretty much it. Random drill bits. Like I said, I use this for storage, guys. This isn't really like a service bag. My service stuff is there. You know, I've gotten to the age where I don't like to carry around a 40-pound bag full of tools. I take the essentials and that's it, you know. You know, here's just the other side. Got some snips in there. It's all just mainly extra stuff. I got a nice pair of scissors. You never know when you need those. These are just all Wera insulated screwdrivers. These are excellent too, guys. The handles on these things are some of the favorite handles I've ever seen on screwdrivers, and you can get these for a very good price off Amazon and stuff. They're excellent made German tools. You know, it's just file. It's mainly just extra screwdrivers, like I said, guys, and extra storage. I mean, I got a bunch of my old Kleins here for the smaller stuff, some sandpaper. And one of my old nut drivers, 1/4 inch and 5/16. These are really good too. I like these because they got the long handles. I use these forever, but now I've dropped it down to my Klein HVAC 8-in-1. You know, extra pair of channel locks. Another Phillips. This is the demo one from Milwaukee. You can hammer on the end of this thing and it won't hurt it. Drywall saw. You know, just more gear wrenches, ratchet wrenches, whatever, extra ones. Some more screwdriver. Another Klein 11-in-1. That's it, guys. You know, another adjustable wrench, more chisels, some bits up there. I mean, that's really it. You can fit way more in this, guys. Like I said, I'm using it for storage, not as a service bag. Like, this is made to fit meters and everything. And when I have this sitting in my truck, it basically just sits right here. You know, when it's all full and I take you know, my Milwaukee 12 volt, I just stick in there like that. It's sort of, I have it more as like a grab and go bag that I can add to one of my service bags if I need something, or if I want to throw something in my MP1 pouch. You know, as you can see, I'm a huge Veto fan. This stuff is awesome, guys. It's so worth the money. Like, my old TP4, I've had this for, God, I mean, over 3 years, guys, and this thing's been beat to hell. This has been through a lot of battles with me, and still fine. Still fine. I've never had a tool pouch or anything last me as long as any Veto product will. So, sorry for the mess, guys. Sorry this ain't the best video, but just got some questions about what I keep in here. So, any other thing, guys, let me know. Thanks for watching, boys. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Short and sweet. Like I said, I've gotten a bunch of questions on just what I keep in that pouch. I know guys have been seeing that in my videos for a while. So, like I said, nothing fancy, just basic stuff, you know. Like I said, it's more for storage. It's not, I don't bring it on roofs with me or into jobs. It's more of a storage thing, and it's very convenient too, because all your tools sit vertically and whatever, and you can just pick and go. And I also want to mention, I just rewatched what I filmed, and I called my Milwaukee 11-1 a Klein, so I apologize for that, but I'm not going to make a whole video over just to explain that. So anyways, guys, I hope you're having a good weekend and all that. I just came off I was supposed to do an 8-hour shift yesterday at a place where they shut down the power to the building, and I was there to monitor things and make sure the refrigeration stayed good off the generators, and, you know, started back up after they brought power back to the building and all that. But turned into like an 18-hour shift. So I got there at like 11:30 in the morning. I didn't leave till about, when did I leave? 3:15 in the morning. So got a couple hours sleep. I'm pretty tired right now, but I wanted to throw this up for you guys, like I said. So stay safe, boys. It's the busy season now. We're all going to be run down and exhausted, you know. But anyone new, if you like what you see, consider subscribing, please. You know, it always helps out the channel, guys. Give a thumbs up, hit that bell, because I don't think my videos are getting put out like they used to. I don't know why, but YouTube is really weird with algorithms and stuff. So appreciate the support, boys. Catch you on the next one.